Hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are class of organic chemical compound which is composed only of the elements carbon and hydrogen. These are the compounds of hydrogen and carbon, but we can derive other compounds from it by substituting hydrogen with some other groups. Hydrocarbons are the principal constituents of petroleum and natural gas. And hydrocarbons are generally colorless and hydrophobic with only weak odor. Hydrocarbons have different classification. Hydrocarbons can be classified as open chain compounds and closed chain compounds. In turn, open chain compounds are classified as two types, that is saturated and unsaturated. For saturated hydrocarbon, we could take alkane. For unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkenes and alkynes are considered to be unsaturated hydrocarbons. Closed chain compounds can be classified as homocyclic and heterocyclic. In homocyclic, in turn, it is classified as aromatic and alicyclic. So, we should know what is saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons that is going to contain only single bond between carbon atom, and they are considered to be the simplest class of hydrocarbons. So, we say that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. So, an alkane is going to consist of hydrogen and carbon atoms arranged in a tree structure in which all the carbon-carbon bonds are going to be single bond in saturated hydrocarbons. So, if we say alkanes, they have a general chemical formula CnH2n plus 2, where N is nothing but the number of atoms in a chain. So, whenever we try to write the IUPAC name of an alkane, it is suffixed with ANE. For example, for writing the name of CH4, the suffix being used is ANE. That is why the name given for CH4 is methane. And alkanes undergo sp3 hybridization. Alkanes are also classified as primary alkanes, secondary alkanes and tertiary alkanes. So, for primary alkanes, we could take the example as ethane. For secondary alkanes, we could take an example to be propane. And for tertiary, it can be propane, but it would be a branch structure. And next is your unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons that have double or triple covalent bond between the adjacent carbon atom. And the term we are using unsaturated means more hydrogen atoms will be added to the hydrocarbon to make it saturated. So, unsaturated carbon includes straight chain such as your alkenes and alkynes. But here we could also include branch chains and aromatic compounds also come under unsaturated hydrocarbons. So, alkenes are the hydrocarbons that is going to contain carbon-carbon double bond in their molecule, and their general formula is CnH2n. And the lowest member of alkene is ethene. So, when we give the name to an alkenes, that is for the double bond, we are using the suffix ENE. For example, if we try to name a carbon chain with 4 carbon atom, that is going to contain a double bond between the second carbon and the third carbon, then we will just say where the double bond is existing, and since we are having 4 carbon, it says as but, and it is having a double bond, so we say it as ENE. That means the name is but 2-ene. So butene. And the next is alkynes. Alkynes, in this you will have triple bond between carbon-carbon atom. So, and the hybridization in alkynes is sp. The general formula for it is CnH2n minus 2. And when we give the IUPAC name to the alkynes, it is ending with YNE. So, the lowest member of alkyne is, simplest compound is ethyne. And the common name or the other name we could say for ethyne is acetylene. Hence, it is very important to know the general formula of alkane, alkene and alkynes. So, for alkane, we have CnH2n plus 2. For alkene, we have CnH2n, and for alkynes, we have CnH2n minus 2.